All right, Tyrann, the first thing I gotta say is just welcome to Kansas City. I know it's probably been a long day for you. But 6 years in the league, first 5 years with the Cardinals and last year with the Texans, when you had the opportunity, playing the way that you did, to have a lot of different places that you could go, just why was Kansas City the right fit for you right now?
Well, I think ultimately, going forward, you want to play in meaningful football games. You want to play for an organization that's going to be in the thick of it every year. I think Kansas City offered me the opportunity. Got a great program, great coaching staff. Obviously, a new defensive coaching staff, guys I've spoke with, but just really ultimately, I just can't wait to get this experience underway.
What do you like about the conversations you've had with Brett Veach, with Coach Reed and Coach Spagnuolo about how they can utilize your talents?
I think they ultimately want me to do what I do best, and that's just come in here and be a leader, practice hard, play hard, and then get everybody else going, build up guys' confidence, bring guys along with me. That's my goal, and I'll try to get that done. I'm new here, and I think a lot of guys here are established. Guys have been working in this building, bleeding, sweating, shedding tears. So I have to be respectful of that, and I think ultimately just coming in here, showing guys that I'm gonna be the first guy in the building, try to be the last guy to lead the building, and I'm gonna put a lot of work in the meantime. So I think as long as guys can feel that from me, see that from me, I think it helps guys buy into the different things you're saying.